What happens when you give exactly the same AI prompt to MidJourney 7 and VEO3? One give you still and other give you motion. But now MidJourney 7 dropped a new animation feature, which means you can generate short videos, loops directly from your image prompts. So the big question is, how does it exactly compare to a proper video model like VEO3? That's exactly what I'm testing today. I use the same prompt, same concept, and now I'm showing you the results side by side. Quick intro if you are new here. I am Marek, creative director and producer based in London, and I run creative content agency called OneMarsMedia Limited. Lately, the content I've been creating with tools like MidJourney, VEO, Klink, and Higgsfield has gone viral on Instagram and TikTok, bringing huge traffic to my channel. That's why I keep saying just try those tools. You never know what will take off or how that could impact your brand or business. Few notes before we jump in. The MidJourney video was made using the new animation feature, but keep it in mind, it's still looping style motion, not full scene generation. The visuals from MidJourney 7 was created with my Personalize profile, so your results may look a bit different. And all audio you will hear is directly from VEO3. I didn't change or replace anything. Alright, let's play the video. And if you like full breakdown of my process, just drop me a comment and I will make behind the scene video for you. Cheers.
So how does this make you feel?
I am not sure what to make of it.